Alright guys, so right now we are putting the car back together. Jacob's working on my battery tray and mocking it up. That way he can go ahead and mount this to the side. We are gonna go ahead and exchange this because I guess it's dead. And it was brand new when I sent the car, but it must have just died from sitting. So we're gonna go ahead and find another one, a replacement. 235, this is 340 cold crank amps. We're gonna try to find something with that number. This is 300. They only have 300 cold cranks. And this one's 340. What do you think? 300 work?
Probably.
I don't see why not. It's just the initial startup.
Right.
So currently, while he's putting the wheels on, he's gonna go ahead and roll it back and weld something. I still have the front seat to put in and the middle console. And then when he's done with the front end, I'm gonna go ahead and mount the radiator and the bumper. I can jack it up and change the wheels to the other ones. So I'll go ahead and get the 2 wheels in the back. Thankfully, I have them because I was debating whether or not I wanted to leave them at home. There we go. Next one. Alright, just gonna get this bad Larry on there. Oh, that's heavy. Probably gotta take that off to hook it up. Might as well just go ahead and disassemble it from that coupling and put that MPX pipe in my box right here in the trunk. I got my front bumper over here and my center console I still gotta put on. I have my SRT4 diamond mats, but I may not put those in today. I might go ahead and put them in the back of the rental truck. I'm gonna go ahead and put that intercooler on, bolt it up. My nuts are right here. There's 5 of them because of the fact that one of my new intercooler bolts broke before I sent it out to Jacob. But these are holding up fine. Jacob just finished this. He actually took my battery bracket, welded bolts through it in a solid state and put some nuts and did all the wiring. I gotta get back to this, you guys. The intercooler is back on. The cold pipe is bolted up. All I gotta do now is tighten the clamp on the lower radiator hose and then go get coolant. And after that, I believe everything will be good to go ahead and start. You wanna try it?
Kinda.
Jacob is out real quick grabbing some stuff and I'm assembling what I can here. And then I'm gonna run down to Napa again and go get coolant. Transmission fluid that I'm using right now, I had to grab this just for right now. That looks solid. The front seat is now in. The steering wheel is off because Jacob still has to wire up some of this to some of that to make some of. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that last clamp and I believe this will be hooked up to this right here. So that's a new clip also. Everything on my harness is brand new, you guys. Look at this, you guys. It's coming back together. Look at that. That's just stupid dope. That is stupid dope. I love what that looks like. Other than that, don't worry about that, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this last one right here, which is the top. Now I'm just gonna go to Napa and grab coolant.
2 hours later.
We have these lights on, but
What's that?
we have those lights on.
Those come on? Do the parking lights come on?
The parking lights are on solid.
Okay, and then the blinkers work.
Blinker works. This one's going fast because I think that bulb's out. The left one do it?
Left one's good.
Alright,
I know you got no bulb in the right corner.
Yeah, probably not.
And the grounds aren't hooked up back there. Fuel pump grounds not hooked up. Well, we got some stuff going, but let's finish hooking up all the grounds. Weird shit.
No lights on?
You ain't putting a seat over here, or are you?
I will be putting a seat.
For now, I'll just put it to this so we can
I gotta
figure that.
take this apart right there. This wire is my dome light wire. And this is most likely gonna be my horn. And it's gonna be plugged into this so I can get that beep beep like I said. Good solid news. I don't know what time it is.
Well, like 9, probably 8.
Still like probably, yeah, whatever, it doesn't matter.
The fuel's late.
But the fuel pump primes. That's a good thing. We got lights on the dash. We got the red security light. We like that. I seen that last time when my car ran. And we are finishing up the wiring. There's a few more wires left and she should be good to go. For startup, we got the fluids in. Oh!
The cranks.
I don't know, you want to try it?
Kinda.
Go ahead and do it. A what?
Tax signal.
Tax signal?
Yeah, the arrow, the needle comes up when you crank it.
What do you think the issue is? Maybe you think it's priming the system? Prime the system a couple times. It might not
Could,
get.
yeah. Look, this cuts everything off. And so does the key. So you have to have both on for it to kick on. Your watt box flips on.
Yeah.
You have the coil plugged in? Oh, bummer.
Cool.
To purge the lines, I've had to do that shit before. You got pressure? No, you're not getting pressure here.
No. Go ahead and turn it on. No pressure.
You ain't got no fucking gas, do we?
Oh my god, duh. Wow. Yeah, I was supposed to go out and go get coolant and gas, and I forgot to get gas.
Well, I should have tried your oil pressure. Let's see what the pressure says on your oil.
No. Does it work?
We ain't doing shit yet, but
Obviously, no gas is obviously gonna have no combustion, no start. Wow. That was my stupidity. I thought I had everything. I know I forgot coolant, but I got everything else. Oil, braking additive, I got the transmission fluid, ATF4, but I forgot to get gas. So, looks like I'm gonna be going down to the gas station.
it's better that than other shit. I think my dumbass ran out of gas one day, or else I wouldn't have that.
Oh my, yo, I honestly was about to bring one, but then I was like, you know what? He might have one. Alright, well.
Alright, I'm gonna start checking other stuff, make sure everything works.
Alright. Stupid. We were so close, and mind you guys, I haven't had one issue this whole trip, other than like having the reducer issue with the trailer hitch 2.5 to 2 inch. We are so close, you guys, so close. So let me go ahead and get gas, and we'll come back here and fill up the neon and pray that everything primes perfectly. I know my fuel pump works fine because I built my fuel pump from scratch. Oh, fingers crossed, you guys. Stay tuned.